In this video, I have compiled a list of the top 5 best wood stoves in the market that are worth buying. So let's get started. Number 5. With its durable galvanized construction, this wood stove from Guide Gear is a great backyard option for providing a cozy hearth to gather around on a chilly day. It consists of galvanized steel with a high-temperature finish. A cast-iron hinge door opens to the firebox, which features vent holes on the front to control temperature. Its box design with a large flat top allows it to function as an actual stove that's capable of bringing water to a boil or cooking bacon and eggs. The tall smokestack on the back directs smoke away from the stove. It can also go on the road, thanks to its detachable legs and compact size, just 20 inches long by 11 inches wide by 13 inches high. It weighs a manageable 42 pounds. Number 4. Averaging 3 feet long and 3 feet tall, most wood stoves require a big chunk of space. This model from Ashley Hearth, however, comes in at just under 2 feet wide and 21 inches deep, a much smaller footprint, making it ideal for heating tinier rooms in homes. Despite its compact size, it still puts out enough heat to warm a 1,200 square foot room. The stove consists of plated steel construction with a cast iron door that features a large glass window to provide a nice view of the burning logs. Despite its small size, the door is wide enough to handle logs up to 18 inches long. A brushed nickel handle on the loading door and ash dryers add an elegant look to this rustic wood stove. Number 3. This well-designed wood stove from Winterwool is ideal for cooking with wood while camping. At 18 inches long, 10 inches wide, and 10 inches deep with a total weight of 34 pounds, this stainless steel stove is compact enough for taking to the campground to heat a tent, yurt, or teepee. It's made from stainless steel to resist rust and corrosion from rain. It includes 5 sections of 3.5-inch diameter chimney pipe that attach to the exhaust pipe at the top of the stove for venting smoke to the exterior of the tent or structure. The flat top is large enough to support a pot for boiling water or a pan for frying up eggs. 2 grates fold out and serve as side racks for cooking. The firebox is accessible via window doors on the front and side of the stove. Number 2. Reflame infrared quartz fireplace stove provides the cozy aesthetic of a glowing fire, but it's actually an electric heater designed to resemble a wood stove. No wood is required, you simply plug it into a standard wall outlet. Testers say the 3-dimensional flame effect is surprisingly realistic, but the small size does make it harder to pass as a fireplace. Equipped with a 5,200 BTU heater, this electric wood stove can warm rooms up to 1,000 square feet in size. Its lower heat capacity and compact design make it great for smaller spaces. It can be used with or without heat for year-round operation. User-friendly features include an adjustable thermostat, 5 flame levels, a timer, and a remote control. The plug has a built-in thermometer, and the unit will shut off automatically if it overheats, a great safety feature for added peace of mind. However, you should note that the upper part of the unit gets quite hot, so you can't really set things on top. We gave it a 4 out of 5 for design. Number 1. Best wood stove is simply the one that scores high on all the relevant specs. No other wood stove has done so remarkably as the Ashley Hearth 1820E. This is Ashley Hearth's flagship model. Ashley Hearth is considered to be one of the best wood stove manufacturers in general. The Ashley Hearth 1820E is extremely energy efficient. In fact, With over 75% energy efficiency, it is the wood stove that most efficiently extracts heat from burning wood. It has a heat output of 69,000 BTU hours, making it precisely big enough to accommodate most homes. The total heating area ranges up to 1,800 square feet, with almost 30 BTU heating output per square foot. What is even more impressive is that the Ashley Hearth 1820E can achieve 69,000 BTU hours at extremely high efficiency. More often than not, wood stoves can waste more than 40% of the heat coming from burning wood, plus 75% efficiency means that the Ashley Hearth 1820E is one of the most efficient wood stoves. The 8H burn time is quite praised. That means that you can load up the Ashley Hearth 1820E at 12 p.m., go to sleep, wake up at 8 a.m., and still enjoy the heating from the wood stove. You can burn logs up to 28 inch in length. The firebox volume is 2.4 cubic feet, with a 21 inches width. All in all, Ashley Hearth 1820E is the best wood stove insert, hitting all the right metrics. It's a high efficiency, low emission, long burn time 69,000 BTUH wood stove for a very affordable price. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.